Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Come, let's get into the video. 2025, a year everyone thought would change their life, but not like this. Every morning, millions wake up with the same fear. Will AI take my job today? Offices that were once filled with people now feel silent. Reports, presentations, emails, tasks that took us hours, AI does in seconds. But here's the truth nobody is telling you: AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing skills. The real danger is not AI, the real danger is refusing to learn what AI already knows. But listen carefully, because this part matters. For every job AI changes, three new opportunities are opening: AI specialists, prompt designers, data analysts, automation supervisors. Jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago are becoming the most in demand roles of 2025. And the people who learn these skills today will earn more, grow faster, and never worry about job security again. This is your moment, your turning point. Don't fear AI, use it, learn it, grow with it, because the future doesn't belong to those who wait. It belongs to those who adapt. Your job is not disappearing. Your old version of yourself is. And the new you starts today. This is the truth about AI deepfake scams in 2025. This is your warning. This is your protection. And this is only the beginning. If this video is useful for you, make sure to subscribe to my channel Manoj Bytes. Hit the bell icon and like button. Thank you guys.